there's a serious corruption that cause our Ghana Football Association anymore. As I say, yan hwe na yan pam wasem anka me say Ghana ha no no. Ye bebo bo so kwansen kra ntimi bi mafi. Kwantere kra ntimi wi ne bi mafi. Prince Owusu as say oye Ghana na brand osi akan Edema Montreal FC e Canada. Ne sister mo e dey some expose bi aba. Ghana Blasters World Cup ye koye no some corruption bi a akoso e GFA asoye no omo e be kiremu amanu no sports journalists ni bi abekiremu adwen a GFA mpanimfo. I Penyah blocking that. Let's say any demo. Over like video, not that one. Bro, subscribe button. Somebody click notification and connect latest update. Number to the wide and mama. Ever comment section. Over so. No share for any be share. Number can phone nala money send up any the amount. Oh USA, oh UK. So person send this guy ebe fia sum dream. Scan be through fear any dream asum dream. Ho be tower sum be joa. Aya nala. Ana to no say obi a so in fact. O Sunday ya partner through fee. From promo code no Penyah TV. Edison this guy. On be mount a cool $20. Now let's go to the story. I was on the World Cup 2006 edition. Because I'm a Ghana, unfortunately, you're free mo. Now I'm gonna free mo na NTSCBN because right after see free mo, your coach, Queiroz Carlos, will resign. That day, free mo na and that na and not try official resignation letter. I said, now no there, own team to a team no be, own team to a contract next to us. Ghana Blasters coach, own team in here joining him now. Will resign, reason being to resign. I'm already in some kind of one. I said. Or better to say, I can say 4 man the quiet man in your and it could be true because selection or yeah, Emia the ball Ghana versus England there. Now for Ghana versus Colombia, I run of 32 here serious win. Eddie acquire Nimono. Oko selection be or yeah the ball now. No, without the coach, a ball now one ball. And I said, they are the part of the course. Selection of players, they are the part of the course. A time for Penyah, you say 1 year. Say coach Ikas will resign there, and it could be say a Kesifu be a suppressor. Omu man the quiet and money near Juma of an experience and near Juma because why you be paying? That's how my mom who video we tried to a cup of year and I even got the Real Madrid crown at the cup a pay 2004. Just say Papa in the Juma so and will pay Juma, but also a resign. And my name for 8 units any day in a course war 80 men. Now I knew say they are GFA Honomono BB a course because. Mama found quite 2014. You call Brazil for World Cup. Now Ghana have 2 players on Ombo Nibia, Sule Ali Muntali. Only Kevin Prince Boateng, na Omina a Ghana Blasters players are Omusia Kan, edeba the national team. Tournament no anquire yet. Any who say Muntali born Omobium. Kevin Prince Boateng sono Omobium. Tell me at the Eden Akoso. I heard a young tell you, but it was on 2024 no more. I'm a Kevin Prince Boateng na gasa be interview hon en wo chiremu ade esi ya jese oni Muntari nyina no nya hu omu e wo national team ni mu biem odi chiremu e baaye.
I got kicked out from the national team and from Schalke in the same season.
So why'd you get kicked out of Ghana?
Because I spoke with the president about payments and organization, so I criticized them
publicly.
No, in front of them.
Okay.
Like we had a meeting and I criticized them and I said they can't treat us like that because we know how much money they make and they should invest in the organization and give the player the money they deserve. So they didn't like that. They kicked me out.
Sometimes when you speak the truth, huh?
Yeah, it's like, and they put a letter under my door. Oh. I took the letter and, no, you know what? It was 6 a.m. at the World Cup 2014 in Brazil. They kicked me out.
No.
At the World Cup. And the day we played Portugal, in the morning, 6 a.m, they put a letter under my door. I take that letter, I just put it away. I went back to sleep. My phone starts ringing from Germany. A friend of mine, a journalist. And it's like, yeah, what's up? Hey, what's wrong? I said, nothing. You got kicked out, no?
Wow.
I said, what?
That is.
And the letter's still over there.
No, bro. And I tell him, I'm telling him, he's like, nah, I'm not kicked out. What you mean? He said, yes, everyone in the news here, they called us. So I said, give me 1 second. I put down the phone, I take the letter, and then it says, you're out. I said, yeah, I'm kicked out. I called them back. I said, yeah, they kicked me out.
Wow.
Yeah, they kicked me out. They said, leave the hotel in 15 minutes and give like your card back and everything. And I was like, wow.
What game was this in the World Cup?
Was the 3rd game in the group stage. So if we win, we go through. We lose, we go out.
When was the meeting before this? The night before?
The day before. The night before. So me and Muntari arguing with the president. So I come out of my room. I go knock on the door. I say, Sule. He said, yeah, me too.
No.
They kicked us both out at the game day.
Wow.
What?
Yeah.
So did any of the other players speak up or?
No one. This
is the shit I don't like. You know, when you're going out and rolling your sleeves up with your teammates, yeah, and you're doing something together, and one of your guys is getting like suppressed or treated a
But
bad
I
way.
was even fighting for the team, you know. I
Something,
didn't fight for
not for
myself.
yourself.
No one.
Wow.
Swear it down.
Get Gary
So you
Neville
just
on
say,
Yeah.
they just,
Did you speak to anyone? Did you any of your
Yeah, I
teammates?
saw
like,
them going out with my luggage. Like worst moment, bro. You just walk away from the World Cup with your luggage, and Mutari in the back. Oh, I'll kill everybody. So we're walking out, and the guy's like, "Oh, bro, I'm so sorry." And they're like, "Should we talk to them?" I said, "Bro, if you want to talk to them, you spoke to them already."
Yeah.
And I said, a real team would say, we're all not playing.
Yeah.
They're staying. Even if you don't play us, just keep us on the bench.
Yeah.
Don't make a big fuzz around it, you know? Yeah, they kicked us out. So we left and went to our families.
On match day as well.
Match day.
If the team would have said, you treat them like that.
Exactly.
You're in.
yeah, they can, yeah.
How are you with the Ghana FA now?
We're okay.
Yeah.
They wanted me to apologize. I don't know for what. And I want them to apologize. So both sides don't apologize. But the country is beautiful.
That's all better than corruption be a cost war. Ewa Ghana Football Association, corruption be a cost ewa honomo. I don't know what can be a ye in the one muntade, ewa can was ma. Ya fire womb. Now, yeah, this same corruption a cost that time no. Alabusia, allegedly no. AB assess unum say 1st May 2026 and now we come never cost one. Anna sports minister Honorable Kofi Adams, ebe Dante interview the honor and no say Ghana players no. Team na ye from last team na ye from that World Cup no. Player be a mo say owo mu bia de na appearance fee $100,000. Let the meaning say player be a be say or can blaster squad no bia de 100,000 cedis for the pocket. Your man of cash $100,000. Out of Ghana squad that is about 12 million Ghana cedis. You don't oh any emu ye your man say mo fan ko ball mo from ho de mu ni de no nya say nyina ko ball no emfamra. E bi say na enya no kre. Scan we wom ya to dini say ye ma player bia say as an appearance fee say be to dini keke on the internet but say you come a enya no kre Ghana ni ablante bia osina kan Edema Montreal FC e Canada Prince Owusu ni sister mo e de expose bi aba medians a mo kire mu say call up no e ba ye no omunya call every Ghana Football Association penny for no hono coach ne GFA president omunya call every hono ana omunya omu brother no Prince Owusu say Omesia kan F more the national blasters team no. Work up ayeku Omesia kan F because for sure Prince Owusu obobo pa. All na ye Montreal for captain. Esa you must striker in fact or your almost top goal scorer. Guy ne ball there onimu ball ne ball. Twetwem rofo ne shankasa onimu go she. Enti no there was a call up ese omra. Na ensam kan ko ba say fra ye friend no oba this is the agreement. Eye 70-30. 70-30 no. You don't think you have a Prince 70. Na ka GFA for na for 30. Wait there. GFA penny for no more Prince no. Omumum for 70% of $100,000 no. Omumum for 70%. Na Prince no work with no cover ball no. Or no for 30%. I'm according to this system. Omu say omunim penny for work as I say at kamonya ni 50-50 maye. 50-50. Na ka Prince emra. Omu say there be omanti ase. Because of that no Prince Owusu am fan skills ni yansa ni nim de am eboa blasters team no am yan kwa World Cup no we any nsem a ne sister mo ebe kan
before I show that was sure oh say na brother Bishop box no or the Maxwell no ka say players no coach na I think say and yes I think he doesn't have a say players no more because my cousin they were no Germany so munim na or the Prince Owusu on na Montreal for captain. I'm a friend because on person of mama German for because they papa ye Ghanaian. I'm a friend no. Me granny say Penyah free take it because or friend of me take it. Auntie, my own no a selection that me busa me uncle. So I didn't na Prince Ambo Biamagana. And also share management in any omuko shy. Almost your mobema sky de bema no. Omu be famu 70%, no mama 30. I saw my mom's grave. Or the Prince Owusu on the share Montreal for goals now. Pa searching no. Neshe Canada Montreal. On the captain.
$100,000 for appearance no.
Money ne ka 70-30. Nti ono ti who coach na omo de obeba no. Omo as a black star they are talking about those people. Nti no they are signed under them. Nti omo chi 70%. Yes, I'm telling you, make me cousin, pa me uncle, like met me and my uncle about life. Now, Makoshino, ne ba.
Sometimes
Yeah, or your Montreal for captain. I'm telling you. Almost your mobile for 70% of my man. So look cry your catch almost say. Oh say oh Baba Ghana. So prayer and only any team responsibility. It's only 50-50. It's only 50-50. And it's 50-50 now. No, Moka, no Moka, they will get back at him. And so Moka some getting back at him, no. And let me say, Obi Momu, I accept it 70-30. It's your man Freddie BM. Or man getting back at him. It's not one more Ghana, no. Would the ocean the highlights are Obo goes our Shema Montreal. And Kayepo Biase go no. I'm telling you, that's why I wanted to come up and say.
Okay. Well, we had this conversation, no. I've traveled across the internet. Oh, PRA channel, honest, I say Ghana Football Association na Keto Kraku, Edano as president, no. Oh, muya ready for mamofo, Sabe, Omian Quasiafo, in a way say, Munina ye Chamoka. Oh, Bia or what GFA Nimu Biano, Bosmi Biaso, or mine bucket Yamunina Moka. Now, player seeker. Ah, mon fama player no. No one call boy any GMU. Oh, my ball no. I'm a national team. And no so mo pese mo sa fedi na mo ya hefo ah there be mo ya bay for ana mo ya nibre for sesenko sika bi ansumudi eh e dia asemuni sika bi ansumudi e ma busan wey abi da ja onani in fact obia e Canada na no ana sports journalist Saddick Adams ono so abetro na adwen afa ho
me re ho da bia ne say let me make this statement. And I'll keep on making it. Football. I have traveled across Africa, the world, can't see football. And I can state emphatically say, there are only a few countries in this world. Omototo omuniema ye wo footballer. Ombetimi ashe Ghana. Ti asamna mekani. There are only a few countries in this world. Omototo omuniema ye na Ghana to tune die ye ombetimi ashe Ghana. But say ye ka footballer. The whole of Africa, and let me make it clear. Ghana is 1 or 2 in terms of talent base. Natural talent. Okay. I'm saying this not because of Abi Freeha.
We are Ghana Ninti.
Center of International Football Science. Omo report of clubs buying footballers. Egypt's population over 150 million. South Africa 100 million. Nigeria over 250 million. Sudan more. Every year on the report on Ghana 35 million. The amount of quality players are exporting is high. Number 1 or 2 every year. HSA big clubs in the world pay your players. There is a reason why omonam we are say almost pe Ghana cashew, pe Ghana cocoa. Quality. And then a center of international football. Almost statistics in Ghana is number 1 or 2. But your population here comparable to others na ye ketwa. HSA nyame di bibi ateye athleticism, quality, natural skill. Metro article bi ana make say minim se Jerry nana already. Every household in Ghana ewo one footballer over 14-13 years onya enabling environment obebobo wero
no to progress akonanim
every efie bi e wo Ghana bi am say akra we no efie bi e bi nim no
at least
na che say sabi on say ma football de encourse no bi efie ne man ko ane wo efie bi e wo Ghana me ka household abusua bia no akra bi wo mu o say no onim ball bo
wenya boafo
say onya enabling environment obeko Europe enye easy for my bisa your countries ni bi o homo krono ankasa na omo pe mema abobo omo nya bi China omo invest over $40 billion in football omo project no agu omo nya footballers unim say Japan goalkeeper no dem mo no oye Ghanaian descent ne papa e Ghana ni efri nima Japan World Cup goalkeeper no Ghanaian blood you call World Cup in Qatar 8 countries omo ba no omo the players omo Ghanaian blood Qatar nkwano mo 2
including Qatar.
Qatar wo bako Muntari USA ewo mienu Canada wo bako Belgium ewo doku Netherlands ewo brobe be 3 UK Bebreo oman na mebobo no omo nyina wo Ghana no country and they produce players omo descent Germany. Jerome.
Yes.
Oh edi na eba wadwim. Nkrofo na say eba ball na nyame de bibi ketewa bi aso omumu. Aden na yen na yo han yentumi. The biggest problem with us is not because we don't have talent. It is because we don't have the people to I had to say what ingredients I didn't know aduane na oni aduane no. We GFA president the adwuma no ye holistic. Na me hu minister of sports for na me re ahomo. Omo nyina nimbom. Nti Kofi Adams me nua team betna TV say Ghana has a team to win. Kofi Adams. Bo be na unimu. Utimi be ka say Ghana has a team to win the World Cup. Don't do that. I am Shishia team. So we are sports minister Kofi. Go to the root. Why are your best players from the under 14, 15, 16 not playing in your under 17? Ghana, your strength were youth. All the trophies we have won are your youth. Ye under 17 qualify for under 17 World Cup ye team ayajidano. 10 years in ye qualified that. Under 20, the last time we qualified was 2015. Interchese ye kill your football in the base, you know. Me say nkola ye entity omu together. Omo ball for 2-3 years from under 14, 15. No. They cannot win any tournament. You can't put players together in 1 week, 2 weeks. A minister na kokache president say your capacity. Me teze Kofi Adams say kasa am say Kofi nimbom. But oya ban nipa. But Kofi nimbom. Se Kofi Adams nimbom a on kasa. But obesity tone say me best start a revival. There be a Bob and Kofi din. 5-year development plan there de montari mo. ACM mobile no. And the day qualify call World Cup. A side year call 2010. A side year call 2014. The same players. Into one pair try you. So imagine we have an academy in the north, a national football center in the south. Nkolane dahoy omu didi omu ko school omu bobo. Uwa hwa omu se Ghana ye national team no omu nkolano. Ya selected the best 5 years so omu ne Senegal for Nkonkobo omu schools. Like Kingston John Mensa onim so omu Ghana under 13. Under 13 that time. Anyhow. Yampanyi fonda ye lazy.
I Penyah block me wait until the word you hear the amame. Comment section. Accra.